Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Remove the foil, and then continue baking for 20 minutes, being careful not to burn the crust or pecans. The pie should not be overly jiggly when you remove it from the oven, though it will jiggle a bit. If it shakes a lot, cover with foil and bake for an additional 20 minutes or until set.
Take our lead.
Simply so, is runny pecan pie safe to eat? The Caro Classic Pecan Pie recipe calls for baking the pie for 60 to 70 minutes at 350 degrees. That liquid center from your pie is safe to eat and makes a great ice cream topping. It will keep in the refrigerator for 1 week.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Putting 2 pies in the oven will likely cool the oven more, and the oven will try to heat up to compensate. So it's best to keep the temperature the same and cook longer. If you do not have a convection oven, it might be wise to rotate the pies so they cook evenly.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tip: what's the best way to tell if your pie is done? For fruit pie, the top crust will be golden brown, and you'll be able to see filling bubbling around the edges and/or through the vents. For best results, let the filling bubble for at least 5 minutes before removing the pie from the oven.
Take our lead.
Pecan pie is a delicious dessert that is notoriously difficult to bake well because it can be difficult to tell when it is done. The crust in the pecans can burn easily if overcooked, but the middle can come out runny if it's not cooked long enough.
Take our lead.
Once you hit this sweet spot, take your slightly jiggly pecan pie out of the oven and place it on a wire cooling rack. The filling will continue to cook and fully set as the pie cools. Let your pie finish setting and cool completely for at least 2 hours.
Take our lead.
28 to 34 minutes. Prepare pecan pie filling and fill pie crust as directed in recipe. Do not place on cookie sheet. Bake 28 to 34 minutes or until center is set. If necessary, cover crust edges last 15 to 20 minutes to prevent over-browning.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If the filling is flowing in a wavy movement from the center to the edge, your pie isn't set quite yet. The way to tell if pecan pie is done is when the center gives you just a little jiggle, like the stable but slightly wiggly movement of Jell-O when you give it a gentle shake, but the edges are stable and set.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.